Good evening, it's 8 o'clock. I'm 83. It's time for CJ News. The Council of Agriculture found H5N2 bird flu virus in the chicken farm in the central region. It's the first outbreak of the highly pathogenic H5N2 avian influenza in Taiwan. As a result, 47,000 chickens were killed in Tainan and Zhanghua. In order to avoid bird flu infections, the Center for Disease Control called on citizens to pay attention to personal hygiene and avoid contact with birds. Now, let's turn to reporter James.
Today, the Council of Agriculture confirmed that the first outbreak of the fatal H5N2 virus occurred in the central region. This serious situation was continuing to spread in other cities and has caused a lot of livestock to contract with H5N2. The Center for Disease Control today urges that don't contract with birds and smuggle poultry into the city. So I want to ask more information about prevention measures about the quarantine officer, James Liu. Ms. Liu, it's possible that the chicken in the chicken farm have contracted with the fatal H5N2 virus. Do you think the H5N2 virus will infect the people? Are H5N2 few destinations available for people to inject now?
I think it is positive that the H5N2 virus will infect people. 47,000 chickens were killed in Tainan and Zhanghua. To avoid the H5N2 infection, people should notice hygiene by themselves and avoid contacting with birds. And since there are no special nets for H5N2 now, it is important to pay attention to personal hygiene and avoid contacting with birds. Thank you.
Up next on tonight's CJ News. In China, H7N9 has been identified in a number of people. This is the first situation where the virus is found in humans. People who were infected with the virus may have symptoms of fever, cough, respiratory illness, and even death. In order to know more about the symptoms, Chinese authorities have conducted health investigations. Some evidence indicates that most people were infected with the virus after they contacted with infected birds. Researchers indicate the current bird flu is a pandemic, but there is no mutate. So far, there has been no evidence of human-to-human transmission of the virus. Now, the Chinese government is transcending sanitation propaganda to prevent more people from being infected. Turn to the reporter James.
Today, the World Health Organization confirmed the fatal H7N9 bird flu has been found earlier this week in China. According to the latest evidence, most people have been infected with H7N9. This situation will increase in the future. However, we need to find some good preventive methods. How can people prevent from getting infected? How can we notice if we have the symptoms? Professor James Liu.
H7N9 is a serious and dangerous disease. People should be careful for everything in our daily life. First, we can avoid going to the infected areas or more vulnerable to get infected. Second, people should avoid eating birds such as chickens, ducks, or gooses. Third, don't use hygiene. And then, I think people should wash hands carefully before they eat. People should know their food is comes from. Thank you.
Now we are taking a look at the weather. According to Central Weather Bureau forecaster, Taiwan is in prolonged rain season, so when you are going out, don't forget to bring an umbrella. Today's weather will be sunny day, but there is still much cloud in Taiwan. Occasionally, there was some brief showers of thunderstorms. The temperature probably will be between the lows of 23 to 25 degrees and the heights of 28 to 13 degrees. Although there is rain, it is still hot. There is 18% chance of rain in Taipei and Taichung, but 13% chance of rain in Tainan and Kaohsiung. The weather will be cloudy tomorrow, but the outlying island, Jimen County and Penghu County, will be sunny. It will be very hot in Taiwan. The highest temperature will be 32 degrees. Tomorrow, there is 13% chance of rain in Taiwan. Now the weather is getting better and relatively stable. Now we are looking at the weather of other cities. The weather in New York and Los Angeles is cloudy. The temperature has reached 23 degrees. In London and Paris, it is raining. The lowest temperature is 5 degrees and highest temperature is only 12 degrees. This is today's weather report. I am Sylvia Guo. Turn to Anchor Alice.
Thank you for watching 世界 News. I'm Alice Xu. See you tomorrow.